My dear students, good morning. Today I am going to discuss tricks to solve NEET questions. Under this heading, I am going to discuss the NEET questions asked in the previous year question papers under the unit P block elements. I am Dr.R.G, Professor of Chemistry, who is taking class for you. Now, before going for the question number 1, I want to give some introduction regarding P block elements. What are the P block elements? If you go for the long periodic table, long form of periodic table, we have 18 groups and 7 periods. Among the groups, the 13th group onwards, it starts the P block elements. That is boron family, carbon family, nitrogen family, oxygen family, halogen family, that is fluorine family, and inert gas element helium family. So these are these groups we are going to study under these P block elements. So all the questions what we are going to see today under this. So among this, the as per syllabus we have to study the corresponding relationship, similarity, comparison, important compounds, everything under this you have to study. Okay, let me start now the question number 1, which is asked in the year 2016. Kindly follow which is the correct statement for the given acids. Which is the correct statement for the given acid? 1. Phosphonic acid is a monoprotic acid, while phosphonic acid is a diprotic acid. Kindly follow which is correct statement. Number 2. Phosphonic acid is a diprotic acid, while phosphonic acid is a monoprotic acid. 3. Both are triprotic acid. 4. Both are diprotic acid. First, you must know what is protic acid. Acid containing OH group, we will call it as protic acid. Kindly follow. So we will call it, normally we will say it is the basicity of the acid, we will call it as. Kindly follow. Now, the phosphonic acid is normally we will call it as, it's a common name. It is known as the structure. I can write here. This is the structure. Okay, let me go for this. Kindly follow. P, double bond O, then H, then OH. This is the phosphonic acid. Kindly follow. So here it is containing only one OH group. It is nothing but monoprotic. What about phosphonic acid? Structure is, this is the structure. Kindly follow. So, this is the structure. So, it is the diprotic acid. Kindly follow. The only difference is here, the first one is the molecular formula we have here, that is H2PO3. The first one H2PO2 here. The second one H3, this is H3PO2, H3PO3. Please follow. The phosphonic acid, nothing but H3PO2. Here, the phosphonic acid. Phosphonic acid is H3PO3. That is the different structure. Kindly follow. Here only one OH is replacement. Here two OH is replacement. So that it is diprotic acid. So now go through that. Phosphonic acid is a phosphonic acid. This is phosphonic acid. H3PO2 is a monoprotic acid, while phosphonic acid is a diprotic acid, which is the correct statement. So, question answer is identify. So, kindly follow. This is given clearly. That is H3PO2 phosphonic, H3PO3 phosphonic. That is diprotic. So, answer is phosphonic acid is a monoprotic acid, while phosphonic acid is a diprotic acid. So, this is the correct answer. A is the correct answer for this question. Kindly follow. This is asked under the nitrogen family, coming under phosphorus. Okay, question number 2. This question was asked under the year 2017. In which pair of ions, here the following we have the pair of ions, both the species contain SS bond. Please follow. This question was asked under the NEET 2017. Option A, S4O6 2 minus, comma, S2O3 2 minus. B, S2O7 2 minus, comma, S2O3 2 minus. Then S4O6 2 minus, S2O4 2 minus. 4, S2O7 2 minus and S2O8 2 minus. So this question actually asked under the oxygen family, specifically under sulfur. So this is the question asked. Kindly follow. So what is the correct answer? Kindly follow. Now, what just we have to think of, the correct answer is, that is S4O6 2 minus and S2O7 2 minus, that is that is the correct answer. Kindly follow. So where it is just the S4 2 minus and S2O3 2 minus, A is the correct answer. Let me write, just see here, the first one, S4O6 2 minus and S2O3 2 minus is the correct answer. Let me write the structure, kindly follow. What is the structure here? Kindly follow. Yes, double bond O minus, double bond O, and again O minus. See, this is the correspondingly S4O6 2 minus. Kindly follow. So we are having SS bond, here it is. SS bond, here it is. The same way, if you go for the other one, the corresponding S2O3, kindly follow. Yes, double bond yes, O3 2 minus, double bond, that is I can write here again, please follow. Let me write now. So let me write S2O3 2 minus, yes, double bond yes, O minus, O minus. Kindly follow. This is the S2O3 minus. Again there is SS double bond. So correct answer is A is the correct answer. Kindly follow. So if you understand the structure only, you have to answer. This is memory based questions. Question number 3. This was asked under the NEET 2017. Mercury chloride and iodine, both when dissolved in water containing I minus ion, say for example potassium iodide, etc., pair of species formed is A Hg2I2I minus, B Hg2I2, C Hgi2I minus, 4 Hgi4I3 minus. See, this question actually coming under the halogen family. Iodine, specifically under iodine. So this is I have brought under the P block elements. So what is the correct answer? Correct answer is 4 is the correct answer. Let me explain, kindly follow. What way? Answer is this is the correct answer. What way you can write now? The first one, mercurous chloride, it is when you treat it with 2I minus, what is happening? It is forming mercurous iodine. It is forming. Kindly follow. Then, when you treat with again further excess of 2 minus, so it is forming the correspondingly the complex HgI4. Kindly follow. That is 2 minus correspondingly Hi4, that is it is forming 2 minus, it is missing 2 minus, it is plus, what will happen now? We are having iodine, it will react with I minus, it is giving now I3 minus. Kindly follow, I3 minus it is forming. So, this is the correct answer. Please follow. HgI4 2 minus plus I3 minus is the correct answer. Please follow. Question number 4, which was asked in NEET 2017. Which of the following statement is not true? Please follow. Is not true for halogens. For halogens, which is not true. 1. All but fluorine show positive oxidation state. 2. All are oxidizing agents. 3. All form monobasic oxyacids. 4. Chlorine has highest electron gain enthalpy. So, which of the following statement is not true for halogen? Kindly follow. If you take the family of halogens, so fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, aspartate. This is the family. This is the period 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the period. So what will happen now? When you study about the family, fluorine has the element having highest electron affinity. Highest electronegativity, that is 4. Highest electronegativity value, it is 4. Same way, chlorine having highest electron affinity value, enthalpy. And these two are gases. Bromine is a liquid, iodine is solid, the aspartate is a radioactive element. These are the informations. Now we will come for the oxidation state. When you go for oxidation state, what you have to think of, what is the general? General is NS2 NP5. This is the general electronic configuration. Kindly follow. So now let me go for the fluorine, first one. Let me go now. Because of the high electronegative atom of 4, fluorine always the negative. There is no positive oxidation state. All but fluorine show positive oxidation state is wrong statement. That is the not true. Because all other compounds will form the interhalogen compound. Simple example, IF3, IF5, IF7. So these are all possibility. So because I is having a positive character. So fluorine is always negative. Please follow. There is fluorine will not show positive oxidation state. So this is the not true. This is the most important. Kindly follow. Next, the correct answer is A is the correct answer. Please follow. All but fluorine show positive oxidation state is not true for halogen, but fluorine shows always negative oxidation state, that is -1. This we have already studied under the oxidation state itself. Next question. Question number 5. This was asked under the NEET to 2019. 2019. Which of the following is incorrect? Please follow again. Incorrect statement. So something is not correct. 1. GeX4, germanium X4, that is X may be anything, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, is more stable than GeX2. Number 2, SnF4 is ionic in nature. 3, lead F4 is a covalent in nature. B, silicon tetrachloride is easily hydrolyzed. Kindly follow. So this is coming under the family. Kindly follow. That is carbon, let me say now, carbon, silicon, germanium, tin, lead. Kindly follow. This is the carbon family. The question is asked under the carbon family. That's why I have already informed you. You have to memorize all the groups. The S block element and P block element groups you have to study. Among the period, 4 period and first transition stages you should be memorized. So I have written carbon, silicon, germanium, tin, lead. Kindly follow. Germanium is given, tin is given, lead is given, silicon is given, except carbon. So what is the general idea here? It is, when you move across the group, ionic character increases. Ionic character increases. This is the general phenomena in all the groups. When compound is formed, the ionic character increases. That is the one important information. And the other is, the oxidation state is, the higher oxidation state is more stable in the beginning, and when you move down, the stability decreases, where lower oxidation state stability increases across the group. But now what we have to find out, which is the incorrect statement. So I am reading GeX4 is more stable than GeX2. So it is Ge at the top, so automatically it is more stable. It is correct. SnF4 is ionic because it is below, it is ionic, okay. Whereas lead F4 is covalent in nature. No, lead is the strongest ionic character. It is not covalent nature. So this is incorrect statement. Kindly follow. So this is the correct answer. Lead tetrafluoride is covalent in nature. No, it is incorrect. It is ionic in nature. So answer is 3 is the correct answer. Please follow. Next, question number 6. This question was asked under, that is, NEET to 2019. The correct structure of tribromo octoxide. So name is given, and they are asking the correct structure of tribromo octoxide is, they are given A, B, C, and D. 4 options are given. So this is actually only from the memory you have to bring. This is coming under the, you can take either, you can take the halogen family or you can take the oxygen family. because both the elements are involved. So let me take the basic unit is bromine. So let me consider under the halogen family. So what will happen here? The correct answer is, kindly follow, this is the correct answer. Tribromo octatetroxide is a neutral compound. All are ionic. This is the neutral. So let us see the correct answer here. So C, it is the correct answer. Kindly follow. Next question, question number 7 is an interesting question. This question was asked in NEET 2020. Match the following oxide nature. Please follow. The basicity of the oxide we have to compare. So when you say oxide, it may be basic, may be neutral, may be acidic, may be amphoteric. So you have to identify the correct way. So what is the way? Just see A, the proportionality given basic 1. B, barium oxide, it is given as 2 neutral. C, aluminum Al2O3, 3 acidic. And D, Cl2O7, 4 amphoteric. So from your knowledge, the options are given here. That is 1, A2, B1, C4, D3. And 2, A1, B2, C3, D4. And 3, A2, B3, C1, D4. And 4, D, that is, and the fourth one is A1, B2, C3, 4, D4. Kindly follow. So how to identify, easily how to approach this question? The trick is, you see the A, B, C, D. You know the nature of oxide. Normally, alkali and alkaline oxides are generally basic, whereas we go for the other side, B block element, the oxides will be acidic in nature. And some will be amphoteric, specific examples are there. So based on that condition, you have to identify. Let me take now, I can correlate CO. So it is probably is a neutral. So where it is A, okay, A2. A2 it is here. A2 is 1, A2 is here. 3. Kindly follow. So either 1 and 3 are maybe correct. The second is barium oxide, which is basic. So B1, I can now again, so this is B1, this is B3. So automatically answer is you got the answer. So answer 1 is the correct answer, because B3 it is saying B3 is acidic, it is not acidic. Barium oxide is the basic. Then go for Al2O3, it is amphoteric. So C4. And Cl2O7, it is acidic, 3. So correct answer is 1 is the correct answer. This is the way you have to approach. Even first 2 conditions itself, we have identified the answer. But anyhow, we are finally, all the 4 we are comparing and finally come to the conclusion. So the correct answer is A is the correct answer. Please follow. A is the correct answer. Please follow. Next question, question number 8. This is the question asked under the NEET 2019. Identify the incorrect statement. Please follow. Incorrect statement related to PCl5. Phosphorus pentachloride from the following. A. Axial PCl bonds are longer than equatorial PCl bonds. PCl molecule is non-reactive, that is PCl5 molecule is non-reactive. C. Three equatorial PCl bonds make an angle of 120 with each other. D. Two axial PCl bonds make an angle of 180 with each other. So, which is the incorrect statement? That is the question here. Kindly follow. The interesting information here is, kindly follow, the B is non-reactive, that is PCl5 molecule is non-reactive, it is incorrect statement. It is a very reactive molecule. It is reacting with alcohol, with acid, a number of organic compounds it is reacting to produce, converting corresponding halide. Ethyl alcohol, ethyl chloride, acetic acid, acetyl chloride, etc. It is reaction. It is a powerful reacting reagent. So, this is incorrect statement. Kindly follow. So, now, the correct answer is B is the correct answer. That is BCl5 molecule is a non-reactive is incorrect statement. Please follow. Because we know PCl5 molecule is reactive. Okay. Next question. Question number 9. This was asked under the 2021. Which of the following oxo acid of sulfur has OO linkage? Please follow. OO linkage. So we have to, that is OO means peroxy linkage. A H2S2O8 peroxo disulfuric acid. B H2S2O7 pyrosulfuric acid. C H2SO3 sulfurous acid, and D H2SO4 sulfuric acid. So for this you must know the structure, otherwise you cannot. So when you are studying the topics under this your syllabus, the structure also you must know. So first let me write what is the first peroxo disulfuric acid. Let me write the structure. Then you have some idea. Let me write the structure, kindly follow. O, OH, S, double bond O, OH, double bond. Kindly count the total number. H2, S2, O8. 4 plus 4, 8. So this is the peroxo, the disulfuric acid has OO linkage. Kindly follow. But if you write all other structure, you will not get this linkage. So correct answer is the A is the correct answer. Kindly follow. A is the correct answer. So the peroxo disulfuric acid has OO linkage. Question number 10. The question was asked under the NEET 2021. There are two statements are given. What are the statement given? Statement 1 is, this is under halogen family. Acid strength increases in the order given as follows. That means HI greater than HBr greater than HCl greater than HF. Statement 1. Acidity increases. This is the way. That is the statement. Statement 2. At the size of the elements, F, chlorine, Bri increases down the group because the family fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine and aspartame, it is not necessary for us here. So only these 4 we are taking. The size increases across the group. And the size of the element increases down the group. The bond length of HF, HCl, HBr and CS decreases. So the strength, the acid strength increases. The bond strength of HCl and the bond strength of HF, HCl, HBr, HI decreases And so the acid strength increases. Why bond strength increases? Because of the electronegativity. High electronegativity of fluorine is 4, chlorine is 3, this is 2.8, this is 2.6, like that. So because of high electronegativity, the bond strength decreases across the group. Kindly follow. So acidity, it is increases. These are the two statements. Please follow. So now we'll come for the options given. In the light of the above statements, statement 1, statement 2, choose the correct answer from the option given below. A. Both statement 1 and 2 are true. 2. Both statement 1 and 2 are false. 3. Statement 1 is correct, but statement 1, the 2 is false. Statement 2 is false. 4. Statement 1 is incorrect, but statement 2 is correct. To kindly follow. Statement 1 is incorrect, but statement 2 is correct. It is missing. Kindly follow. So, what is the correct answer? Correct answer is A is the correct answer. Both statement 1 and 2 statement are, it is correct. Kindly follow. Okay, let me go for the next question. Just see here, option A is the correct answer. So I have come to the conclusion, my dear students. So thank you very much for the kind cooperation you have given to me. If you are a newcomer to my channel, NEET Chemistry by Dr.R.G, I will be very much thankful to you. I request you kindly click subscribe button and share with your friends so that let them also enjoy. So regarding NEET Chemistry by Dr.R.G, I want to give some important information. Why I started this channel? What is the purpose? For the last 3 years, we are suffering from, not only we, the entire world was suffering from corona. So I was simply sitting in the house, eating, seeing TV, sleeping. This is the only work I was doing. So I was thinking of that. Why not I can utilize this time? God has given this time to help poor students of India. As a chemist, I can teach my chemist, I can share my views with the students so that let them get the benefit of becoming doctors, engineers, etc. So I started this channel. This is purposely mainly to help poor students of India. I know more than 80% of family in India are poor family. They cannot go for even tuition by paying money. For them, this is the most important for them. Is what we can say is the golden opportunity for them. If you follow sincerely my YouTube, you can get, I can give you assurance, you will get 100%, 90 to 100% marks out of 100 in board and 180 out of 180 in NEET entrance examinations. So if you want to become a doctor, 100% you will get in chemistry 180 out of 180 if you follow systematically my theory as well as the question discussion. My dear students, best of luck. There is another information I am having for students who are studying plus 2 and plus 2 completed student waiting for second time to write NEET entrance examination to become doctor. I want to give one information. So I am running a veterinary coaching center in Pondicherry near bus stand for the last 21 years. And we have a lot of achievement from the beginning. All the achievements are given in our home page. That is the website, veterinary.us in the home page. One or two important achievement I will point out. We started in 1999, but in 2003 itself, we got All India first rank in JIPMER by our student R. Srinivasa Raghavan from Patrick School, came All India first rank in JIPMER entrance examination. JIPMER entrance examination, he came first, All India first. More than 10 lakhs people, he stood first. This is the first achievement of Vetri Daughters, that is Vetri Coaching Center. Now we are having our website, Vetri Daughters. The second achievement is, if you go our homepage, you can see everything in photograph. It is given year by year. You can verify. Out of 20 years, kindly follow, except to 1 or 2 years, most of the years, we are getting the Pondicherry first rank. Pondicherry first rank. Nearly 10 to 12,000 students are writing in the entrance examination for NEET. So, and previously JIPMER and other AIMS examinations. So, we are getting the first rank. With the all students photograph, with the school, with the mark, everything is given in the homepage. Please follow. The third important achievement, minimum 10, maximum 20, 25 students are entering into JIPMER every year through our coaching center. And 150 to 200 students are joining other medical colleges of Pondicherry through merit student, the government quota in other medical colleges. Few students are joining IIT and hundreds of students are joining other engineering colleges. This is our achievement regarding, kindly verify from the homepage. Now I will come for the site, Vetri.Data. About our site we have. We have a very important site, unique from other online leading coaching center. If you join with us, it's a low cost, only 10,000 rupees per year, containing all subjects. If you join with us, I can give guarantee, minimum you will get 600 to 700 marks. Definitely you will get. What are the feature it is present? Let me explain one bit. The first feature, it is having 200 video lesson. 200 unit test we have. The 200 video lessons are framed by professors with doctorate degree and 20 to 30 years of experience in teaching IIT medical coaching, and only those professors are handling the classes. So you can feel classroom atmosphere. So teachers are coming and teaching you in your house through Vetri Daughters. What is another important feature is that entire video full of notes, systematic notes, but the level should be higher than your higher secondary. Even BHE portions will be included, because you have to go for IIT advanced level, you must know this one. You must have extra knowledge. So, studying extra is not the question, is only advantage. So, studying less only problem. Kindly follow. The advantage of this video lesson is, while you are listening the video, any information, formula, diagram is new to you, touch the video, it will stop, you can note it, or you can take green shot, depending upon the nature of phone. Then, again you touch, it will run. So this advantage is not available in other online coaching. Please follow. The second important feature, we have 200 unit tests. That means each unit, we have 200 unit tests. That means kindly follow. So in this case, P block elements. So P block elements will have two tests, test 1, test 2. Each one will have 45 questions. So why I have given 2 tests? Because there is the reason behind, to assess and to improve the quality of a student. I have suggested this one. What way? Suppose you are writing test 1. How to write the test? So you go for, enter again Vetri Daughters in the Chrome. Our site will open, register, and go for the NEET free. It will enter free lesson and free the test also given. And if you joined as a member, you can enjoy all the topics. So if you enter test, click, say for example, P block elements, attempt will be there. And there is, if you click attempt, a window will open. In the window, you can see this unit, P block element, contains 45 questions. Each question having 4 options. One of the option is correct. Each correct answer, 4 marks awarded. For each wrong answer, 1 mark subtracted. Are you ready? This is the last. Vititators will ask you. Then, if you are ready, so take a rough notebook and pen, then click OK. Immediately, what will happen? Now, a window will open. In the window, you can see the question number 1. You can see option A, option B, option C, option D. You can see there is a clock. It's running from 45 minutes going downward. And below, there are 3 menus are there. One is center complete, here next right side, reverse, that is going backward. 3 menus are there. So, and below that we have, kindly follow, 1 to 45 number in yellow color will be there. 1 to 45 yellow color will be there. So what now we are going to do? So you are reading the questions. Observe. Then you observe A is the correct answer. Immediately click A. So what will happen is the wonder here, this option is not available in any other online leading coaching center. The number 1 in yellow color will become green color. That means you have attended. The second question will be blue. That means you have to attend. And the other question will be yellow color. So suppose after 20 minutes, your time is 45 minutes. After 20 minutes, you can assess by comparing the time, how many questions you have attended, how many questions you have to attend, you have compared. This facility is not available in other online coaching. So all the yellow color means you have not attended questions. So either you can directly click yellow color or you go for next. So next means going beginning, if you go systematically is okay. But after coming first round, second round, if you want to go, better method is go directly click the lowermost yellow and you can answer. Kindly follow. After finishing all the 45 questions, click complete. Immediately, our program will do calculations and will place you the marks for you. Suppose you are getting in test 1, 140 out of 180. That means 40 marks you are losing. Losing may be due to you have left the question or your wrong question or minus mark, everything. It may be any reason. But you want to assess where you have done mistake. You want to assess. That assessment is not available in other online coaching. So we have that option. That is, next to the mark, there is a menu called review menu. Review menu. You press review. Kindly follow. Press review. A window will open. Immediately, you can see the question number 1. Option A, option B, option C, option D. Then correct answer will be given in the yellow color. Then below that, here there is a video solution. Please follow this option. This feature is not available in any other online coaching. Suppose you have already answered A, so your answer will be full of blue color. The correct answer will be yellow color. Compare blue color with yellow. If both our answer are same, your answer is correct. If both answer is not correct, your answer is wrong. So you can assess where you have done mistake. This facility is not available in other online coaching. Please follow. Okay. Now you are finding that question, your answer is not correct. So what you have to verify? Better go, nothing, simple. Go and click video solution. If you go other online coaching, what will give? They will give a solution. If you click solution, it will show the option A, B, C, D, whatever correct answer. In the correct answer, they will give one word or one line will be typed matter. That's all. Nothing explanation will be given. No explanation. For an ordinary student or a weak student, they cannot understand the answer. But ours is entirely different. When you click video solution, the professor with the doctorate degree and 20 to 30 years of experience in IIT and medical coaching will be standing in front of the board you can feel like a classroom, reading the question, reading the option, then we'll start explaining under what heading this is asked, what is the theory background, what is the reason we have to, then everything, they will, if the problem, they will do problem, and they will give the tricks what way I am giving, everything will be given. That is, it will take 5 to 15 minutes it will take to run this video lesson. So this provision is not available in any other online video. Only in Verti.S we have this video solution. Just imagine we are having 200 question papers. Each question paper is having 45 questions, multiply, and each question having one video solution. So how interesting. So another most important information I want to give, that is, all the questions that are taken for 200 unit test from the previous question papers of IIT, AIMS, AFMC, that is Armed Force Medical College, AIPMT, MSET Andhra, Delhi, Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Pondicherry. Only previous year question paper. Not even single question paper we have framed. Why I have selected? What is the advantage we have got is, we have observed for the last 6 years, 75 to 80 questions of same question are repeated. That means Verti.S is giving 2 or 320 marks to you. And if you are a good student and a brilliant student, you can get 300 plus. So easily you will get 650 to 700. You will become All India rank. You'll join wherever you want. AIMS, JIPMER, Vellore, anywhere you can join. Kindly follow. This is the advantage of Verti.S. I told you, if you want to join Verti.S, is a very low cost, 10,000 rupees. How to pay 10,000 rupees? Pay 10,000 rupees, kindly follow, in the name of Santi, Director of Verti Coaching Center, through Indian Bank account number 7127194771, IFC code IDIB000P134, cell number 98941 So now, please follow, my dear students. Previously, I was in India. Now I am in UK, in the state, that is Wolverhampton, along with my daughter, who is working as a doctor of gynecology. So, if you want to contact me, you contact through only WhatsApp phone. Through WhatsApp, you can contact me. So, bye bye. See you again in my next topic.